Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about poster making and I'm going to give you some tips on how to make it. But before we proceed, let us first answer these questions. May I ask if you were able to experience how to make a poster using a computer software? Just answer yes or no. Were you able to present a poster in a scientific conference? Yes or no. If you answered yes in both questions, then you are exempted from this course. Our objective here is that at the end of this session, the students could be able to come up with their own poster using MS Publisher. The materials and facilities which are needed here includes a desktop or laptop computer. A connection to internet could be an advantage. We need photos, tables, graphs from your respective experiments. As for the contents, we are going to define a poster, identify the different parts of a poster, the advantages in poster presentation, the different software that are used in poster making, and lastly, tips in poster making. Number one, what is a poster? So this is a large board with printed information designed to convey information about a particular study. A poster could be in landscape or portrait orientation. When we say landscape, this is wider but short. When it is portrait, it is tall but thin. The size of a poster could vary depending on what is required by a certain conference. In this case, the conference is requiring 22 by 45 inches poster. So if this is length times width, so this is short but wide. So this is landscape. Number two, parts of a poster. A poster should have a title. There should be an author and affiliation. There is an abstract, a short introduction, methods, results, and discussion. It's composed of a paragraph, graphs, and pictures. Then a few recommendations and acknowledgement. This poster do not include references, so it varies from poster to poster. Number three, advantages in poster presentation. Poster presentation allows one-on-one or small group free-flowing, less formal two-way conversation with the audience who are interested in your topic. This also allows your co-author or co-authors to directly participate in the discussion. Another one is that a poster could be posted in strategic places within the university after the conference. In this case, it could reach a much wider audience. Number four, as for the software that could be used in poster making, you could use PowerPoint, you could use MS Publisher. This is what we're going to discuss today, and you could also use Photoshop. You can also use MS Word. Number five, tips in poster making using MS Publisher. First thing is that you are going to check on the guidelines of the conference, look for the size or dimension that is required, the format, the font, the background, and the materials to be used. If you are not familiar with the design of a poster, what you could do is to search online for some templates. So there are hundreds of templates which are available online. If you do not have an access to internet, the best thing you can do is to refer to previously presented posters. So many of these posters are displayed in some strategic places within the university. In this slide, we have three different posters, so you could see how this one vary from this one and here. Here we have two posters here, and we have here three different posters. Now, if you're going to make a poster using MS Publisher, what you're going to do at first is open an MS Publisher, go to page design to specify the size of the poster. So you have to define or specify the width and the height of your poster. Then select one page per sheet, click OK, then click OK here. In deciding the font size and the type of the font, I would go for Arial over Times New Roman because, as you can see here, Arial is more visible than Times New Roman. The smallest font in your poster should not be less than 24. The main title could be at least 76, and the subheadings could be around 40. Word art? No, I should not use word art in my poster, for example, because of this outline and because of the shadows. Background, sometimes we are tempted to put a background on our poster, so you have to ensure that the colors of your font and the background are contrasting. If you would like to add a picture on your poster, please do not copy paste. Otherwise, the size of your poster would be very big. What you can do is go to insert picture, then select from the file the picture which you would want to insert in your poster. One thing more, you have to save your file. Don't wait for brownout as we have unstable supply of power. If you want your picture to have an oblong outline, what you could do is insert picture, auto shapes, then select this oblong shape. After that, left click your mouse and drag it to create the desired size of your chosen shape. Right click the mouse again while pointing on the shape, select a format, auto shape, colors and lines, then select color, fill effects, picture, then select picture from your file. Click insert, then OK. So in that case, you could have a picture inside this shape. When inserting graph from Excel, what you could do is select the graph on your Excel file, click copy, open your poster, then click edit, paste special, select picture, then click OK. Inserting a graph this way can only allow you to resize your graph but not to directly edit your graph in MS Publisher. If you want to directly edit your pasted graph on MS Publisher, use paste instead of the paste special command. If you encounter trouble in converting your MS Publisher file into PDF or JPEG files, reinsert all the graphs using the paste special command. In reshaping your photos and figures, please do not drag to the left or right or up and down. So here we have an example. If you're going to drag this picture to the right, this is how the picture would look like. If you drag the same picture downward, this is how the picture would look like. But if you point your mouse somewhere here, then drag it on a slanting position towards this portion, you could enlarge the picture without distorting it. When saving your file, I would suggest that you would select PDF because it has the highest quality compared to JPEG or TIF. To save your poster into PDF, what you could do is go to print, then after that, you select PDF. If this is not included on the list, you could download a PDF writer. Then you may select standard printing, then click OK, then save. Saving of your poster into PDF file may take a little bit longer. So maybe a few minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes depending on your computer. So that's it. Let us proceed with the assessment. I would like you to make a 22 by 45 inches poster using your MS Publisher. After that, you need to convert your poster into PDF file, which I could print in A4 and I could still read the sentences even if it is printed in A4 paper. Please email to me your poster in PDF file. Before we end, I would like you to answer this honesty matrix. 1. Did you seek assistance from somebody else in order to make your poster? Number 2, did you watch other tutorials about poster making? Number 3, did you ask someone to make a poster for you? Number 4, did you use a model and just revise the content to make a poster? And number 5, did you use an available template from the internet? Before I end, we have here the rubrics which would guide me in evaluating your poster. So that's all for now. Looking forward to receive your scientific poster. All the best, everyone.